Okay. For planting, here's how you're going to do it. Take the end of your rake, and on the inside of each peak, on the inside bottom part of each peak, you're going to draw a line in the sand kind of deep on both sides. And then you are going to take some sand. And it's still recording. I thought it ended. Oh my goodness. What a bad video. So, you're going to take some sand and just fill up that.
She's really sweet. She's a good girl. Huh?
See you guys later.
There's one side, and then the other side. I'm actually filling it up with sand. Probably don't even need this much, but so I roll. Overkill. It's known to the world by my videos. Overkill. There we go. Okay. So, then we're going to take our seeds next. That's the next step, and I'm going to pop